You are your own universe, and your universe never contradicts you. You are living the exact same life that you think, feel, say, and do in your head. You are manifesting it outside of you. That's exactly what you see on a daily basis. So, no thing, no person, no situation can ever contradict you. It will always, always be the exact representation of everything that you think about yourself, and everything that you think about people, and everything that you think about things, and everything that you think about every opinion you have, every justification you come up with, every judgment you have is a representation. It's sitting right in front of you. You are living your best life all the time. The universe is always giving you what you want. So the universe, which is your universe, can never contradict you. And contradiction is a combination of three words: contra and diction. Con is a prefix that means with. Tra means to cross, go over, or trans, or go across something to the opposite side. And dict means to talk. It's diction. It comes from the word voice, verse. But anyway, contradict means to literally say the opposite or do the opposite or be literally on the opposite side. So the universe, or your universe, does not contradict you in any way. It does exactly as you say. It never takes the opposite side or behaves in opposition. When you say you're having a bad day, you are. You literally are. If you have a job that sucks, you literally do. If you are not the best person for this situation, you're right. You're not. So the universe is never going to contradict you. It's never going to do the opposite of that, of anything that you say. So it never takes opposite sides, and it never behaves in opposition. So if you're having these days, or if you think a person is annoying, then the universe will give you a person who is annoying. You get to say what works for you. If you say that person's annoying, then that must be what works for you. That's the whole point of being you. You are in charge. You are the only one choosing for you. You are your own authority. What you say goes. And what you get to say, what and who you are, and what and who is in your life, you get to do that. Only you get to fulfill the purpose of being you. You're the only one. You're the only one on the contract. You're the only one that's in you. You're the only one saying your words. Just you. You're in control. You're in charge. You choose to procrastinate, or you choose to do. You choose to believe the things about yourself that keep you stuck, or you choose to believe the things about yourself that get you going, that can make you jump out of bed even when you don't feel like it. So choose something about yourself that does work for you. The universe supports all your thoughts, all your words, and all your deeds. Your universe is completely 100% supportive of all your decisions, all your choices, all your thoughts, all your words, all your deeds. So choose wisely. Live deliberately. Namaste.